Hey guys, Thursday, April 4th of 2024. Not much has happened on nat gas, US pre-market open. Let's look at simple glance. Nothing's really changed. Look at our 4 hour, kind of holding right here. This 25% from this modified Andrews pitchfork. Hit resistance here. You wanted to, some might be asking, wow, why is he just pivoting from here and not getting this new one? You can. There's no wrong rule. You're pretty much doing it from 3 points. This is just a new one that did it. This area right here didn't hold, and it dipped lower. Now it came back up. But if you anchor it now from here, what you notice is on a modified one, because this is modified, this one is normal. You can see that the 50% is cutting right through here. It's finding support right now at that angle. Oh, pretty much the midpoint of the Andrews pitchfork. So that's interesting right there. So there's a couple of ways you can always look at it. We put that back over here. This is the 25%, and it's holding there also. Midpoint chart. Watch out for Friday or Monday. This is going to be the 3/4 is it's actually Sunday. I put it 4/7. It's Sunday, but it's Sunday night open. Let's just see how that's going to play out. But so far, undecided where it wants to go. This is a midpoint right here, 184, and it's kind of dancing around there on the monthly midpoint. And for April, it adjusted to 179. This is our gap fill that I have. Let's see. On the weekly, we have a pivot from here, holding. We did 190. We pierced 189, and the last target to the upside is 195 on the weekly. But if they want to tank it and push lower, obviously you got this pivot right here you could keep an eye on, 178. But the big one is the 171. And for today only, if you're thinking about going long, this would probably be a good rule. 187 needs to be above 187. Also the VWAP. What happened to my VWAP? This disappeared. Need to find it. So going long, get above at least 187. You got 190, 192, and then 194. April 14 low. If they're going to tank it, it's already on the weaker side in regards to levels. You got 182 and then 180. And obviously you already know the square of 9. We're already at 184. So we're trying to stay above the 45 degree, which is this one right here. And it could be maybe we just dance around here. This could be the new area to dance between 190 and 183. But once we break there, it looks like it may want to then kiss 197. And then eventually get to $2, which is our high right here. It's between 152, $2, and we're kind of could be the beginning maybe of a wave 3. I don't know. We'll see. Looking at different views. And then, not forgetting your geometry, you can see that this is holding. But if this doesn't hold, it may want to come down to here. We already know this was resistance, because that's that 190 right there. And if you wanted to, you could always, if you're doing this with me, you could always take the main one, not modified, and adjust it here. And this gives you right here at least an angle, just in case if it does go down Obviously, it's not going to fill in the gap if you believe in that, but at least you'll see maybe some support right here. But if it cracks that, then it's obviously on its course to fill this gap, which is around here, and then jump back up and, you know, see what it's going to do. But so far, looking at it right now is looking good. So if it wants to continue going higher, it may want to test this this thing and then continue chucking along. And depending which one is this one, yeah. So if it's from here, maybe kiss this 50% here. From the main one here. You got this 50, and then you got the 25 from there. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on that gas.